What is going on, you guys? It's your boy George, back with another video today. Today we have an unboxing and review of the Nike Off-White Dunks. Today's special because we got two pairs to check out. We got the suede pair and the leather pair. So these are going to be kind of like the options that you get if you do pick up a pair. They'll just have different color laces or different tongues. They'll just have little different options on them, but primarily they're going to be either the suede or the leather. So let's just go ahead and take a closer look at them right now. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Off-White Dunks. I'm able to review two pairs today. One is my personal pair, the other pair is my friend Brandon's. B, appreciate you again for coming through and let me review these. I want to review two different pairs because I know B's pair is the suede version and my pair is the leather, so I just want to show you guys what they look like. And the box on these are basically identical. The only difference that they have is the lot numbers. So mine is lot 4 and B's pair right here is lot 11. So it's checked off on each pair, which is pretty interesting. The design of the box I think is really cool. Very unique, the holes in the box. It almost looks like the actual hole, but it's there's plastic on each part of it, so it looks pretty interesting. But let's go ahead and take a look at these shoes. The tissue paper on this is very nice. It's like this yellow orangish tissue paper. You have the Off-White logo right here on it. Same for both pairs. Let's go ahead and take these out. Cut back to that. So here's the Off-White Dunk, lot 450. This one is the leather pair that we've seen compared to the suede pair here. I personally prefer the suede pair a lot more, but let's check this one out. So you have this like nice leather upper. You have this canvas material and right here in the middle, and on the toe box you have the canvas as well. The reason I don't like the canvas is because it's very dented already, so it already looks like it's used, you know. But other than that, I think it's interesting, but it's just not, I don't think it's smart to use it for toe box material. On the side you have the silver lettering embossed into the leather. That's just quite nice. We have like this Tiffany blue shoelace outer thing. I don't know what the hell you call this. On top, not my favorite color. I wish it could have been like orange or another color that's a little more interesting. You have the yellow tag right here. The tongue itself is actually black, and the insole inside is also black with the Off-White logos. You have the zip tie that says Off-White, lot 450. What else? Yeah, that's about it on this one. On this pair, a lot cleaner. I prefer this a lot more. The suede is like a nice hairy suede. It looks very, very durable, very nice. You got leather right here in the middle. Leather on the toe box, very nice touch. Oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, so the inside right here, it's all leather. Compared to this, it's just like a mesh material. So this I think is very cool, and it looks like it'd be not too comfortable, but I love how it looks, and I think it's pretty interesting. I think this would definitely be more comfortable. But you can look inside. This one has like a cream colored in the middle, and then the tongue is also like a beige cream tongue, and you have the green little hit right here, 11 of 50. And you also have the embossed lettering on this. I think the embossed lettering looks better on the leather than it does on the suede. And this one also has a lot 11 of 50. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So if you guys are looking to pick up a pair of these, they'll probably run you around $400 to $500 depending on the variation of the color you choose. All right, guys, what did you guys think of the Off-White Dunks? Did you prefer the suede pair? Did you prefer the leather pair? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and give this video a like, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys next time.